to all the kids that lost their lives in the Parkland shooting. This song is dedicated to you.